The intelligent speed assist warning beeps on the Subaru Forester are impossible to ignore. They just keep coming. This video shows you how to permanently silence those beeps using Beep Away. We'll walk through the simple steps, and you'll see how easy it is to get peace and quiet back in your car. Beep Away generates a VIN-matched configuration file to stop the annoying warning beeps. Everything else in your car keeps working as before. The homepage shows the 4-step process. Select your car, enter your VIN, load to USB, and plug it in. Scroll down and select Subaru. Tap Show More if you don't see your brand. Beep Away supports most modern car makes with ISA warning chimes, not just the ones shown. The same steps work for every supported manufacturer. Next, choose your specific model from the grid. We'll select the Forester. Every model follows the same configuration steps. Your Subaru Forester is confirmed and ready for configuration. The process is fully reversible and will not affect your vehicle warranty. Create your account to generate your config file. Enter your name, email, and password. Then accept the terms of service and privacy policy. You're signed in automatically and taken straight to the Configure Wizard. After signing in, the Configure Wizard opens on Select Vehicle. Choose 2025 for your Subaru Forester. Then tap Next to enter your VIN. Enter your vehicle identification number so Beep Away can tailor the config file. On a Subaru, the VIN plate is usually at the driver's side door jamb. It must be exactly 17 characters, letters and numbers only, no IO or Q. Beep Away is creating a personalized config file matched to your VIN. This stops the annoying warning beeps on your exact car. Generation usually completes within 30 seconds. Open My Configs from the dashboard sidebar to track your order. Pending means your file is still being prepared. Click View Config to continue when your file is ready. Your order is ready for your Subaru Forester 2025. You'll receive a personalized configuration file and a step-by-step installation guide. The config is locked to your VIN for your protection. Download your configuration file. Subaru Forester 2025 ISA config file personalized for your VIN. Also download the installation guide PDF for step-by-step instructions. Save both files on your computer. You'll load them onto USB in the next steps. Format your USB drive as FAT32 or exFAT for compatibility with your car. You need at least 1 GB of free space. Select Quick Format and click Start to prepare the drive. Copy Subaru Forester 2025 ISA config file to the root of your USB drive, not inside a folder. The drive should show only your config file at the top level. Safely eject the drive from your computer before taking it to the car. Take your prepared USB stick to the car. Start your vehicle or switch to accessory mode so the infotainment system is on. The USB port is usually in the center console or front armrest. Insert the USB stick into your car's USB port. The config file is tailored to your vehicle's board computer and VIN number. Within seconds, the annoying warning beeps stop. Your 2025 Subaru Forester comes with intelligent speed assist that constantly warns you if it thinks you're going over the speed limit. It rearms every time you start the car and often misreads signs, leading to constant, frustrating speed warning beeps. Beep Away silences these specific beeps permanently, while all other safety systems and alerts continue to function as intended. The Beep Away configuration loads directly from your USB stick. It never flashes or rewrites your car's internal software. Simply remove the USB stick at any time, and your vehicle will revert to its original factory warning sounds. While we're demonstrating on a Subaru Forester today, the Beep Away process is identical for any supported vehicle. Owners of many different car brands are experiencing the exact same ISA speed warning beep issue. If you own a 2025 Subaru Forester, you're definitely not alone. Many drivers describe the ISA speed warning beeps as incredibly intrusive. You'll find countless comments from owners frustrated by beeps for minor overspeeds, settings that reset with every ignition, and menus that offer only temporary relief. That's why so many are looking for a real solution, and we'll answer some common questions about it next. Beep Away operates by loading a reversible configuration from your USB stick. Active only while the stick is plugged in. There are no permanent changes or rewrites to your car's system, so removing the stick restores everything to factory settings. If your lease terms or country's regulations require specific warranty adherence, Always review your own documentation. Yes, absolutely. 2025 Subaru Forester owners can follow the exact beep-away process you've just seen. For a final check and to ensure perfect compatibility, just enter your VIN on beepaway.com before ordering. You'll need a computer, a USB stick, and about 10 minutes of your time at home. No visits to the dealer, no complex coding tools, and no special cables are required. You can easily select your car, enter your VIN, and download your custom beep-away config straight from the website. Just search for beep-away on Google, or head directly to beepaway.com to get started today. This guide and configuration are intended for use on private property only. Beep-away is not licensed, certified, or approved for use on public roads or in moving traffic.